Good afternoon, guys. Uh, my name is Fernando Rivera, and this is the Unit 3, Step 3, Identify Technology Value. This is the group 105. Okay, and this is documentation. This is my concept map of the lack of information of the market and the commercialization channels. Okay, and the causes and consequence. The first, and the first lack of quality information. Other is the that it's complete and timely on production and marketing costs, and maturity of the technology to a laser degree, greater uncertainty, lack of asset skills be managers, others while is in order to facilitate the evaluation of technology. Income-based methods are used, such as the 25% rule. Okay, other the not having an integrated technology package that detracts from the value. This is simply more development work and the more investment. If it's embrace the value we decrease. Other is the lack of evaluation is another difficulty and prevents the development of more effective technology marketing strategies. Okay, thank you.